I'm very excited to teach you how to install your Yeso Therapy garments. Like, subscribe, and ring the bell notification please. That way we can stay in touch. Use the same procedure for all of our Yeso Therapy products. You will need your Colombian Curves Yeso Therapy Garment, a bucket or container large enough to fill with water and completely submerge your Yeso Therapy garment, a rolling pin, rolling pins used for baking work best, a towel to dab excess water. Be sure to use a towel you don't mind using as a work towel after. Last but not least, a helper to lace and tie your Yeso Therapy lace-up cord for molding. First, check the tag. Make sure you have the correct size. Next, completely submerge your Yeso Therapy garment in your bucket of room temperature water. Swish the garment through the water, gently squeezing and massaging to make sure all of the dry Yeso Therapy blend is completely soaked through. Your water should turn white. Don't submerge longer than a few minutes or your garment will begin to form without it on you or your client. 3. Gently squeeze out excess water. 4. Immediately spread your garment on a flat surface on top of your towel. Use your rolling pin to spread the plaster evenly throughout the entire garment while simultaneously pushing the excess water out. Leave no dry or plaster-free places. Finish this step in approximately 3 to 5 minutes to make sure the Yeso Therapy garment does not begin to dry. 5. Stand up straight and put the garment on your body, or your client's body immediately with the size tag facing out. 6. Raise your arms and take a breath when putting on the Yeso trainer and Yeso jacket to obtain a better mold. 7. Adjust the Velcro and tie the cord using the respective eyelets. Pro tip: burn or melt the ends of the white cord in advance to make stringing the eyelets easier. 8. Finally, you must wait for the garment to dry completely. It will take approximately 30 minutes to 1 hour. Time varies depending on your climate. Be sure not to sit down until it's dry so you don't risk misshaping the mold. After it dries, continue wearing your Yeso Therapy garment as long as you can handle it. Best results are seen when worn 5 or more hours after the first installation. And yes, you can sleep in it. You'll see incredible results if you wear yours every day for multiple hours. We recommend 3 to 5 hours. There's definitely no need to mold your garment again, and be sure to avoid getting your Yeso Therapy garment wet after it's molded to your body. After about 1 month you should need a new smaller size. Then continue the process to lose even more. All of our Yeso Therapy garments are made in Colombia and shipped from the United States. Like, subscribe, and ring the bell notification please. Check out the links in the video description below. You will find links to get your Yeso Therapy garments at 30% off. You can even learn how to become a wholesale partner so you can add a new product and service to your health and beauty practice, or simply start a new side hustle.